Hello, this is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. This video is one of a series that features the Recteq Bullseye Grill. The challenge? From a cold grill to finished steaks in 30 minutes or less. Here is the Bullseye Grill with the lid up. The only option that I will be using, and I highly recommend, is a set of GrillGrates. Recteq offers GrillGrates, but they call it the searing kit for the Bullseye, and their price is cheaper than Amazon. Before we can start our challenge, it is best to answer these two questions. What is a Bullseye Grill, and what it is not? It is a real grill that can replace a high direct radiant heat grill like a Weber kettle, charcoal grill, or gas grill. What it is not is a replacement for a pellet smoker with electronic temperature control. Now you can use it as a smoker, but it'll act more like a stick burner, for you'll have to adjust the pellet flow manually. Now onto the test bed. Recteq versus Recteq. In this corner, we have the tried and proven pellet smoker, the RT680. In the other corner, we have the new Bullseye Grill. Now, for full disclosure, I have owned my RT680 for 4 years. In my opinion, it is the best pellet smoker for the money. This comparison is not a dig towards the RT680, but a way of showing one of the huge benefits of the Bullseye Grill. Last, I love my RT680. Back to the challenge. How much time to get to 500 degrees Fahrenheit ambient or air temperature, or how to cook 6 New York strip steaks medium starting with a cold grill. No preheat. Here is the temperature probe location in the RT680. And here is the location for the probe in the Bullseye. I am using the ThermoPro TP20 to monitor both barbecues. The TP20 does not require an app or a phone, it just works, and I highly recommend it. After 1 minute, both barbecues were at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. At 2 minutes, the Bullseye creeped up to 80 degrees. After 3 minutes, the RT680 went into the lead at 82 degrees. At 4 minutes, the Bullseye starts to pull away at 116 degrees. At 5 minutes, the Bullseye is at an incredible 247 degrees. At 6 minutes, we are at 334 degrees. In the last 3 minutes, the Bullseye is averaging 94 degrees increase a minute. At 8 minutes, we are seconds away from 500 degrees. At 9 minutes, we blow right through the 500 degree mark at 538 degrees. At 9.5 minutes, we hit 570. At 10 minutes, we run out of display, for the TP20 has a maximum temperature of 572 degrees. Here's another chart showing how in 8.5 minutes the Bullseye easily hit 500 degrees and had much more to go. While this ambient or air temperature test was running, I used my infrared temperature gun to read the grate temperature when the ambient temperature hit 400 degrees. As you can see, the grate temperature was 408.9 degrees. When the Bullseye hit 400 degrees ambient, the temperature was a huge 557. Chart lovers, here's a chart showing that even at 400 degrees ambient, the Bullseye could easily sear a steak. The RT680 still needs to be 90 degrees hotter to achieve the minimum grate temperature of 500 degrees. Ideal grate temperature for searing is 500 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. So the conclusion, with the ability to hit 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 8.5 minutes, achieve much higher grate temperatures, and do this while burning real wood, the Bullseye could easily cook a steak in 30 minutes or less. To prove my point, I actually redid the test the next day using 6 New York strip steaks that were 1 inch thick. Total time from cold grill to finished steaks was 22 minutes. Grate temperature was a huge 695.8 degrees. Now here is the finished steak. Super sear with great sear marks and only the taste and texture you get from a really hot grate. Steak was a perfect medium and all it took was 22 minutes. Now take the 30-minute cold grill to finished steak challenge and see if you can do the same with your smoker or grill. Bon appetit! If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And as always, we very much appreciate you watching.